Could you tell us your name and what is your role and responsibility within the Igbo Progressive Union here in Galway?
My name is Chief Eusebius Emeka Agbo.
I know you.
Udogburenyi. Maka udada kwenyi manamuwa Udogburenyi.
Udogburenyi.
In the whole worldwide.
That's a great name.
Igbo Progressive Union is a very unique union for Ndi Igbo. Like Ndi Igbo, all over the world, we identify ourselves.
Yes.
So Iwabundi Nokwa Island and Galway, we always identify ourselves by forming this Igbo Progressive Union. And luckily, I've been working for Ndi Igbo since 2007.
Wow.
Yeah, Ndi Igbo have been but Kanda Rohor, President Galway, their vice chairman. So I see I maybe here, we may Igbo Day. Because nice. I suppose to me here in August. But I met a shift to say because Ndi Igbo they reach in August.
Right.
This is our tradition everywhere in the world. So Manai just our brother union in a Potlish. So Kandi Igbo we may say age in a Potlish. So I tell you the Bakaran who just say Potlish age in a Potlish. So I say I will make kind go to I will Thank you very much.
Wow. How was it?
It was lovely. At least Igbo can do Igbo. I will Igbo everywhere.
You have a very beautiful culture.
Yes, we have a unique culture. I had a marker with another person. We just go our own lane. Our own lane that is very unique.
True. So and your culture is representing peace.
Peace, unity, progress, and resilience.
True.
Yes.
Wow. That's amazing. So what is your role, within the Igbo community?
My role as the vice chairman is organizing so many people, making sure that we liaise with the government on the ground, uniting every other person, making sure that any new Igbo person that is around here in Galway is represented and we bring him to our fold so that he won't get astray because we are all Igbos. Unayana one year is our logo and our motto, which means you shan't leave your brother on his own or your sister. So my role is just try to make sure that every Igbo person in Galway and in Ireland as a whole, with the unity that we have to bring him to his fold, so that any other problem, if we can help him, we can help him to integrate in the society. Thank you. Yeah.
That's beautiful. So what is your experience as a Igbo Progressive Union Vice Chairman here in Galway?
My experience has been very, like I told you earlier, I've been working for the Igbos since 2007.
Yes.
So my experience has been very, very a unique one, a happy one, a great one, because the society we live in here in Ireland, we almost have the similar culture. And it's very easy for us to integrate, and it's very easy for us to liaise with the government of the day.
Yeah.
And then presently, our people. Our people, we always identify ourselves wherever we are. And it has been a unique and great opportunity for me to know so many people working for the Igbos. Like this place we are, we liaise with the community center of Ireland, where we hold every meeting, where we brainstorm. The politicians around us, we also liaise with them.
That's good.
The police, the unity, we advise our children as well. And the most important thing is like majority of the people that are Igbos that are here, they don't feel like when you're new, you don't feel left alone or like you're new. Like we always bring them into the fold so that they will feel at home. They know that their brothers are here. And we introduce them like every other place, any other thing that is worrying them, it is very easy for them to navigate and to assimilate into the society.
True.
Yeah.
That's good advice.
Yes.
Wow. What is the opportunity promoting Igbo Day here in Ireland?
The opportunity is very good because we Igbos, we always come together to celebrate ourselves and to know each other, to look after each other, see our children how they grow.
Yeah.
And it's our roots. We always know that anything that doesn't have a root doesn't grow.
True.
So we the Igbos, we have our roots, and that's why we liaise with our roots so that we can grow massively.
Yeah. The root is a good opportunity.
Yes, it's a good opportunity. And the only challenge we have is because here, most people will work all the time.
Yes.
So having the opportunity and having the time to come together is always a challenge for us. Because Igbos, we are known for our resilience, hard work, and intelligence.
Yes.
So because of that hard work, we provide for ourselves and we know we integrate with the society. So the only challenge is for us to have that time to come together and be together, unite together. But every other thing is okay. Once we find the time, we are good to go.
That's beautiful thing, brother. Keep up the good work, you know.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, brother.
It sounds like love and unity.
Yes, of course.
Nice.
Igbo to the world. Igbo to the world.
Igbo to the world. What is your personal story and what advice will you give to young Igbo generation here growing up in Ireland?
My personal story is like every other Igbo person's personal story, which we are all known for. Resilience, hard work, and intelligence. So we always know that without hard work, you can't go anywhere. That's why in our adage they say, Akajaja. Akajaja means dirty hand. It doesn't mean that you have to do a dirty job to get money, but you have to work.
We're not afraid to get
exactly. We are not afraid to do whatever job to provide for our family.
Yes.
We don't. Any Igbo man doesn't wait for handouts.
No.
When I came to Galway, Ireland, it was very easy for me because of the people that came before me, being Igbos, and we assimilated easily. And
that's good.
My advice is to every other person and to every young person. For you to succeed in life, there's nothing good comes easy. No. You have to put up the work.
Yes.
We have laid the foundation. There is school for you to go to school, get yourself acquainted. If you don't want to be on a minimum job, you have to get educated. So the hours you do in any job you do, you have to get the higher pay.
Yes.
And that's my advice to the younger ones. Keep your head up. Look straight to your parents' advice. Don't think that the world is easy. Because your parents is paying the bills for you. Absolutely. A time will come where you have to fit up the bill for yourself. Yes. So you have to lay the foundation and prepare yourself for the future.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
That's good advice,
Thank you. Yeah.
Happy birthday. We appreciate everything you are doing. Keep up the good work.
Of course.
It's
an obligation.
Any other extra thing you want to say for the audience?
I always have to advise anybody, or all we Africans or the community we come into. We are very opportune that the community of Ireland is a very good community who accept us as we are, and they love people that are hardworking, that contribute to the society, which we Igbos, almost every one of us, that we work hard and contribute to the society we find ourselves.
Nice.
So every other community, we have to emulate the Irish, because the Irish society is a very good society, very good people, very nice people, who accept and very good system. So don't go astray, keep your head up and focus on whatever you want to do to achieve your aim.
True.
Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.